Hi friends, thanks for popping in. Today we're making lemon pepper pork chops in the skillet. For this recipe, I'm using 4 bone-in pork chops. Sprinkle the desired amount of lemon pepper seasonings and salt on both sides of your pork chops. Here I'm using 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. I'm setting my temperature to medium-high. I'm browning each side for about 3, maybe 4 minutes, or you can just kind of go by the color that you want your pork chops to have. Once you've browned your pork chops on both sides, you'll need to turn your heat down and add about 3/4 cup of water. Let your pork chops simmer on low for about 20 minutes. Now I'm making a gravy with the drippings and a cornstarch slurry. I'm using about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and about 3 tablespoons of water. Then I'm going to mix that together, and then after I remove my pork chops, I'll make a gravy with the drippings. Thanks for watching.